What's up everyone, welcome to TheRideTV. So today for the vlog, we're gonna do a fork upgrade, but unfortunately, I broke down yesterday. My bike's not getting spark, so I just had to get towed here. So we're gonna try and fix that first and then get to the forks. So let's try and get that done. There she is. Who are you?
What up? I'm Sweet.
What are you doing right now?
Breaking bikes, you know, usual.
So, Ravi has my front end pretty much apart right now. Finally. He couldn't get the fork brace off. He's a little bitch.
You're gonna eat my Wheaties.
I'm just playing. Cory and I have been trying to figure out the problem why my bike won't start, and it doesn't seem like it's panning out very successful. So we're gonna keep listening to Big L and have at it.
I lost his bucket, the green bucket.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Cory's gonna kill me.
Found it.
Found it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that goo.
That's all you had in your fork.
Should have been more than that. Where did it all go? Oh, yeah.
So much shit around here. Jeez.
Look who it is.
Donuts.
It's the donut guy. Oh, yeah. Oh, where are we going to go?
I call dibs.
What are you guys going to get? Oh, you already got yours, huh? Oh, all right. I think I'm going to go, shit. I usually do chocolate frosted, but I'm going to go super chocolate today. Boom. Oh, we're in the shit right now.
Wow. Ooh. These will go nice and nice.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Balla. Alright, so we got the forks pulled apart. We're getting ready to install some Racetech springs, some gold valves, and some Burley brand preload adjusters. Let's get to it. Let's go.
Looks sick. The tracker dive, flapper in the background. All right, current situation. Front end is all done, ready to go, but we haven't figured out the problem why my bike won't run. So we kind of. Exactly, he said it right. The rest of the bike is a piece of shit because it always fucking happens to me. On the weekends, I have to myself and I could go ride. My bike breaks. That's life.
Get the shit out of me.
never look cool, you know?
Okay, update. Corey has figured out the problem. It looks like my ignition is shit. Took a little while to figure it out. We just got it running, so we're gonna try to find something to replace it and then get running again. All right, I have another update for you. So we plugged my old ignition back in to check it out for shits and gigs, and it actually works. So apparently nothing is wrong with my bike. It just didn't want to start. We just wanted to put Corey to work today. Okay, so everything's all packed up. I want to say thank you to Corey, as always, for taking care of me. And Ravi's not here right now, but he helped out a lot today. Hopefully the bike starts up again.
See if you can make it home.
Hopefully I can make it home. So let's give it a whirl. All right, I'm back from Track or Die. The bike was still running weird. It's still sputtering weird. Thought it might have been the battery. I took it back to where I got it and they tested it for me. The battery's still good, but he left it on the trickle charger for me. I think I have a short somewhere. I think I have a bad wire somewhere. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna get the battery back tomorrow and just keep trying to find the problem.